The welcome email feature automatically sends a customizable message by email to all members of an official course site, even if the site has not yet been published. This message is sent to users in all bCourses roles and is sent to new members of the course site once per day. In order to utilize the welcome email feature, you will first need to enable the bCourses mailing list tool. The bCourses mailing list is a communication option that provides instructors the ability to send messages from their email application rather than using the inbox in bCourses. These lists are updated daily based on membership in your bCourses site. You can enable the mailing list by taking the following steps. In the course navigation, select the Settings link. Then select the Navigation tab. Under the Drag items here to hide them from students, find the mailing list and select the ellipsis and enable. Then select the Save button. Now that you have the mailing list tool added to the course, you are now ready to enable the welcome email feature. In the course navigation, select Mailing List. Select Create Mailing List, then add your subject and a message. Your message can include important information that can guide students on how to access the course and when it will be available, as well as guides and links to documents or websites that will help students prepare for the course. For example, in this sample message, students are provided a self-describing link to the course's information page, as well as links to 2 guides for the course. Once you're done adding a subject and message, select Save Welcome Email. Under Send Welcome Email, you will see Send Email. Select the paused toggle and change it to Active. Each day, new members who are added to your course site will receive the welcome email. Keep in mind that if you modify the welcome email and students have already received it, they will not get the updated version. But if you decide you want to disable the welcome email for a period of time and re-enable it at a later time, any members who join the site during that period will still receive the welcome email. For more help with the welcome email feature or bCourses in general, email bcourseshelp@berkeley.edu.